The single arm lateral raise is an exercise for developing the lateral deltoid muscles in your shoulders. For this exercise, you'll need a single hand weight or dumbbell. See the description below for recommended equipment. Begin standing with the hand weight or dumbbell in one hand. Shift your weight over to one leg and bring the heel up on the other leg. This position is helpful for all standing arms exercises with weights because it forces you to keep your legs and core muscles engaged while avoiding locking your knees. Now, keeping a tall posture, extend the arm that's holding the weight straight out to your side, stopping at about the level of your shoulder. Then slowly lower back down with control. As you raise the weight out to the side, keep the back of your shoulder actively engaged to avoid rounding forward. You should feel this work in the outside edge of your shoulder. Up and back down is 1 repetition to one side. Perform this exercise for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program, and then switch the weight to the other side. Do the same number of repetitions on both sides. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.